Cancer, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong full moon in Leo sa February 12, 2025 at 9:53 p.m. Philippine time. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, so for you Cancer, itong full moon in Leo is happening in your second house of your assets, your values, your finances, material possessions. So some of you may mga worries, no? May mga pag-aalala kayo pagdating sa inyong income, or maaring you might need to let go of a valuable thing, no, to generate money. Yung iba, maaring meron kayong ibebentang gamit para may mabayaran kayo na utang, or yung iba naman, may ibebenta kayong gamit para makapag-generate kayo ng funds to start a business. So maaring this time medyo conflicted kayo about that decision. Kasi minsan parang ayaw mong mag-let go talaga, no? Ayaw mong mag-sacrifice for some things na maaring di mo akalain merong magandang maidudulot sa'yo. For example, you really want to start your business pero wala kang funds, pero gustong-gusto mo talaga. So, meron kang ibang property, like kahit anong gamit na enough para makapagsimula ka, na pwedeng yun muna ay pwede mong i-sacrifice para makapag-generate ka ng funds, at once may funds ka na, masisimulan mo na yung business na gusto mo. 'Di ba? And syempre, eventually, pag naging okay yung business, maaring makakabibili mo ulit yon, yung na-sacrifice mo na gamit. So, maaring meron kang mga kailangang i-consider ngayon sa mga decision making mo. I also see rin kasi na maaring meron kang mga taong inaasahan, like for example, mga kaibigan or your community, pero mukhang parang hindi mo nakukuha yung ina-expect mong support galing sa kanila. So somehow nagkakaroon ng frustration sa part mo. Okay, 8th house is also about intimacy, sexual connections. Yung iba sa inyo maaring you are exploring your sexuality, kaya lang meron ditong hindi pa ready para ibigay yung kanyang values. You get my point? Pwede kasing, yes, somehow, nag-explore ka, but at the same time, you also gusto mo rin protectionan yung sarili mo from the people na magta-try na i-persuade ka or kumbinsihin ka para sa decision mo, na magdesisyon para sa sarili mo when it comes to your sexuality. Okay? Ang hirap i-explain in a way na hindi siya ganun ka offensive, but some of you maaring meron ditong isang kaibigan na meron palang sexual interest sa'yo, tapos maaring yun yung maging dahilan para masira yung relationship ninyo, pagkakaibigan ninyo. So, be very careful. You have the 6 of Cups. This is energy ng past, or meron kang naaalala from your past. Someone is confused. Merong nako-confuse siya sa gagawin niya. So, pwedeng ikaw to, nako-confuse ka sa gagawin mo. Hindi ka makapag-decide. But I think eventually makakapag-decide ka pa rin with the Six of Swords. Mas pipiliin mo na nandun ka sa mas sigurado kesa doon sa walang patutunguhan. Okay? So, pwedeng mag-apply yan sa isang connection that you are dealing with, na ano ba yung mas sigurado na relationship. Syempre, yung may commitment. Oo, na inaako niya yung responsibility niya sa relationship ninyo, kesa naman doon sa ang gusto lang puro pasarap sa buhay pero walang accountability. Now, yung iba naman, maaring you will finally take action, no? With the Magician here, you will take action pagdating sa goals mo when it comes to your finances, na to finally make some sacrifices para maisakatuparan mo yung pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve pa sa buhay. You have the Strength card. Yes, maglalakas loob ka na gawin, na simulan yung goals mo for your income. So, yung iba sa inyo, gusto nyong kumita ng pera online, or gusto nyong kumita ng, to have your own business pagdating sa investments, no? So, with the Page of Pentacles, you're also learning. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga ini-enrollan na online courses, or pwede rin tong personal nyong research. You're doing your own research to learn more about how to handle your finances well. And with the Chariot here, I see progress, no? So, the moment na i-release mo yung anything that is no longer serving your finances, your even your career, no? Or yung kung paano ka mag-handle ng pera. Minsan kasi alam na natin kung ano yung hindi nakakabuti para sa finances natin, pero ginagawa pa rin natin, 'di ba? So maaring yun yung i-let go mo na, at mas magseseryoso ka na ngayon sa pag-build ng finances mo, because you really want to have a strong foundation in your finances. A time to give rather than take. A fiery climax approaches. I think magkakaroon to ng yung parang awakening, major awakening. Pwedeng meron kang kaibigan na magsasabi sa'yo in your face na ito yung kailangan mong gawin, ito yung mali mong ginagawa, so kailangan mo nang i-let go yan. Clear your mind, yes. So, the moment na maintindihan mo yung situation mo ngayon, especially in your finances, in your investments, and how you deal with money, mas makakapag-decide ka kung saan ka mas mapapabuti, or saan mo mas dadalhin direksyon yung iyong trabaho, yung career mo, yung finances mo, or kung paano ka mas magke-create ng abundance sa buhay mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.